Today, I'm going to be talking about the YouTrip card and whether or not you can use it to pay bills. So, let's get right into it. What is the YouTrip card? YouTrip is a multi-currency card that allows you to spend money in over 150 currencies around the world. It's a great option for travelers who want to avoid foreign exchange fees and get better exchange rates. Can you use the YouTrip card to pay bills? The answer is yes. You can use your YouTrip card to pay bills in Singapore dollars. However, you cannot use it to pay bills in other currencies. Here's how to do it. Go to the website or app of the company you need to pay. Enter your billing information, including your YouTrip card number and expiration date. Make the payment. That's it. It's really that simple. Why would you want to use your YouTrip card to pay bills? There are a few reasons why you might want to use your YouTrip card to pay bills. Avoid foreign exchange fees. If you're traveling abroad and need to pay a bill in a foreign currency, you will typically be charged a foreign exchange fee by your bank. You can avoid these fees by using your YouTrip card. Get better exchange rates. YouTrip offers competitive exchange rates, so you can save money when you make international payments. Earn rewards. Some YouTrip cards offer rewards points that you can redeem for travel or other perks. Of course, there are some downsides to using your YouTrip card to pay bills. One downside is that you may need to pay a small fee for each transaction. Another downside is that you may not be able to use your YouTrip card to pay all bills, such as utility bills or rent. Overall, YouTrip can be a great option for paying bills if you travel frequently or want to save money on foreign exchange fees. However, it's important to weigh the pros and cons before you decide if it's right for you. So, there you have it. You can use your YouTrip card to pay bills in Singapore dollars. I hope this information is helpful. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching.